I cut a potato. I cut a potato. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I peel a carrot. I peel a carrot. I chop an onion. I chop an onion. I slice a tomato. I slice a tomato. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I beat the eggs. I beat the eggs. I fry an egg. I fry an egg. I boil some water. I boil some water. I make some soup. I make some soup. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I add some salt. I add some salt. I add some sugar. I add some sugar. I add some pepper. I add some pepper. I pour some milk. I pour some milk. I pour some juice. I pour some juice. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. I brew some tea. I brew some tea. I mix the flour. I mix the flour. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I bake a cake. I bake a cake. I decorate a cake. I decorate a cake. I wash a bowl. I wash a bowl. I wash a pan. I wash a pan. I clean the counter. I clean the counter. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I put away the plates. I put away the plates. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I take out the butter. I take out the butter. I put the food on a plate. I put the food on a plate. I set the table. I set the table. I use a spoon. I use a spoon. I use a knife. I use a knife. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I grill some chicken. I grill some chicken. I grill some meat. I grill some meat. I cook some noodles. I cook some noodles. I toast some bread. I toast some bread. I make a sandwich. I make a sandwich. I spread some butter. I spread some butter. I squeeze a lemon. I squeeze a lemon. I blend a smoothie. I blend a smoothie. I pour the sauce. I pour the sauce. I taste the soup. I taste the soup.